quite a while going live on Facebook. So I don't think I'm going live on Facebook. Let me see. Yeah, I think I'm going live. Mm, Yep. So I'm live on Facebook, and I hope you guys can see it. And so, hey guys. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about local P2P leads and the bonus, which is like I'll be also talking about the bonus, which probably will be at the end or maybe after that showing the products. So with a quick update with the extension. So right now I have we have updated the UI with where you can log in with the email address. Before it was just a code, but right now it's I'm using email address here. So yeah, once you log in, you'll be able to see the screen like download a CSV and a webhook URL, and this is under API, Tomba API here already added here. So I'll just get a quick how walkthrough on how the extension works. So it can be anything like lawyers in Nevada or something like that, or maybe Missouri. So Missouri, Missouri. So when I click on lawyers in Missouri and I just click on this, and you can see all these listings here. So I can just go. So I'll just go in Kansas City. So I can just click on the extension here and click on start scraping, and it will start scraping. So one of the features which we added is that you can wait here, and so the speed of the scraping is probably 3 to 4 times better than the first version. I think it's much more better than the last version. And the other thing is that you can just click anywhere and you can do some other work as well, and it works in the background. And you can also go to a different background and it's still scraping. So you can just click on scrape and just go and do some different work, and you should be able to the scraper will be like working in the background. You can just see that it went from like 20 to 21. It's a bit little slow when it's working in the background, but when you're going and here it's much more faster here. So that's the features we have added here, so that you can so the best part of this extension is that it is live data. So you're not so with I've seen other what do you say other software which they have been using, like kind of like pre-existing data, but this is a live data. So whenever you reach out to your local businesses, and yeah, I also renamed it to local B2B leads. So the thing is that whenever you reach out to local businesses, it's like the data which you are getting from this is actual data, so that you don't what do you say kind of you understand, right? So that has much more power than just getting it out of it. So let me just actually stop. So it will just stop only when it reaches probably at the end. So there is no limit on how many leads you like. There's no limit in how many leads you can get. So yeah, there's no end. Like you can just stop whenever you want. So once I click on stop, the leads are downloaded, and we have named it so that whatever you're searching here, that's the name it's gonna end up for the file name. So let me close this one. I'll talk about this afterwards. So this, yeah, that was another secret bonus. So so as you can see here, you get the search position. Let's say that this is the first position, this is the second position, third, and you can see that search position. If they were running ads, you would see an ad. It will say ad, and you get the name of the business, you get the description, you get the category. So even when I search for lawyers, these are like subcategories where you get like a law firm instead of just a single lawyer, and there's like diverse lawyer, criminal justice attorney. So it will help you to actually probably um, it will help you to reach out in a much more different way for different types of attorneys or lawyers. And you get the ratings, you get the reviews, you get the phone number, you get the address, full address, street address, city, state, zip code, website. So you get all of these things. Okay, so right now that's the only way of doing it. But if you want to get email addresses, you can enable your hunter or tumba. let me just go here and show you just a 5 examples so that you understand it. So let me go here. So let me just enable Hunter, and so you just have to put in your Hunter API and just click on enter, click on Hunter API and click on start scraping, and it will just go in and just start scraping all the websites and get your emails based upon Hunter APIs as well. So let's just stop here, probably just six. Yeah. So let me open the file. So as you can see here, you get multiple email addresses. So you get multiple email addresses for using Hunter API. So you get around 8 email addresses per website. So you'll probably get around, if it's 100, probably you get around 50%, more or less 50% or maybe 40%, depending upon the website or the industry which you're targeting. But you'll get some good email addresses which you from that website, like from that, because we're going to use this website and we're going to use Hunter or Tomba to get the email addresses. So let me actually try Tomba right now, and instead of Hunter. So I've already added the Tomba API, so that I just have to click in like this and go to the main and click on start scraping. Oh, let me okay, yeah. So let me again start it from first. So right now it's taking in 4, 5, 6. So let me open the file, and as you can see here, you're getting email list for 3 businesses here, and with Hunter also 3. But it seems that there is a, you're not getting any email list for like this website. Probably you're getting for this one. So the software are different, so you can see which works for you best, either Hunter or Tomba. That's why we have given you options of Hunter and Tomba. And yeah, so training I haven't, probably I'll just add this into the training so that you guys can look into it. So this is how you want to use, the extension. And you can also send it to a webbook URL if you're using Zapier, if you want to send it to a different CRM like webbook enabled CRM. So you can just send the data directly to it with enabling the Hunter or Tomba API itself. So you have an option of that as well. And if you need any assistance with the extension, you just message me. You click on it, it just redirect to my profile. So coming back to the, just give me 1 minute. So um, so yeah, coming back to yeah, so coming back to the bonus, so you get, and so I have the website is live, and you can just go to localb2bleads.com to go to the website, and you should be able to see a lifetime deal and 2 early bird offer. So if you get the lifetime deal, you'll get access to like a 30 million US business database, which I can show you, which I'll be showing you right now. And it's an so the price increases by every purchase. So right now it's around $25 for one time purchase, and if someone purchases, it just jumps to $26. So and this is only for the first 125 customers, and probably I'll remove the lifetime and probably go for the monthly option, because I'm having I have a much more bigger vision for this particular product here. So and yeah, so let me go to the business leads here. So the business leads actually has the leads are separated by the states, and you can see the number of leads per year. And it's not actually 30 million, it's actually 31,300,000 349,892 leads. And you get all these feeds. Let me actually go to the database. So you'll get like a Google Drive access to this file. And if let me take you to, so this is for Arkansas. So it's a quite big file, so it's like around 20 MB, so it takes a little bit of time. So you can see the company name, SIC code, SIC description, address, city, state, zip, country, phone number, fax number, if they have a website, latitude, longitude, the number of employees, and it's a range which you have. This is the actual, like kind of like a approximate employee, and this is like the range. And the sales volume, and this is kind of the sales volume range they would deal with the business, like how much they deal. and these are like contact names who you can contact, and these are other like NAICS number and what industry they are in. Like these are like advertising and marketing, insurance. So you get all these, so it's like around 96,000 leads just for the one state. So there are around 51 states here, and you get each state will have their own file, and you'll be getting around yeah, so 31 million like 31 million business database within the US. So that's what you get if you purchase lifetime lead. So and I'm also thinking about having the lifetime deal. Probably, maybe if you're taking it in the, if you're purchasing this live, or maybe in the next week or so, or probably in the day, I'll also give you a database of yellow pages. I also have another 1.4 million data with which is taken from the yellow pages, and which has email. So that's you have to mention that. So it has the email. So you get the business name, the email address as well, and the first category, the second category, and third category. The address, the same thing. So the address, state, postal, phone, and their Facebook page if they have it, and the Twitter handle if they have it. So if you purchase the lifetime deal probably within the next week, or probably I'll even put it in the for the first 125 customers, I'll also send you this one, which I haven't mentioned in the website. Probably I should. I don't want to under deliver any of you guys. I want to over deliver, so I'm just making you a little bit surprised. Maybe if someone is purchasing, and I'll just send it to them as well. So uh, yeah, so you get the lifetime deal, you'll be having this. And the early bird offer is something like it's a monthly, and you guys, if you're getting the early bird offer, you'll actually get like an advanced lead database, which is totally different than the one which I showed you here, because it will have a much more advanced, it's a different database as well. So it will have a different fields. I think there are around 32 fields which you can get like credit score of the business as well. So you also have that in place. So it's a totally different one that will be given only for the monthly early bird subscribers, and it's just like $9 per month. So you also get the bonus 30 million leads as well. So but the advanced leads database is not yet live, so it will be probably in the first quarter of 2022. What we are working right now is, let me actually, it's still in, we are still in development phase, but I can just show you a little bit sneak peek of the UI. So we actually started working with the UI for the backend, so that whenever you're getting the leads, instead of just saving it as a CSV file, you can actually send it to your backend, like a kind of like a backend portal in the extension, and you can send it to a webbook, you can send it to a CSV, and this CRM is actually GHL. So you'll be able to send it to the GHL as well. So I'm sure that probably within the next 1 or 2 weeks, maybe it should be done. And we're just getting the UI ready, where you can. It's still not yet done, but it's just like there's a slider here. There should be a slider here and down, so that what do you say? So you can slide it, and you can select leads and send it to your CRM or a webbook, or download a CSV, and you can also use the same Hunter Tomba. And so yeah, so that's an update with an extension itself, and it should be it's already live in the store. You can download it if you purchase it, and you can update your password if you're if you don't like the default password as well, so you can update the password as well. And so yeah, so I'm not sure if you I hope I was able to I was able to show you the features of the extension. And so yeah, so what are the things which I want to talk about? So let me actually see, is there anything I missed? Yeah, probably not. So, so this is the first 125 customers will be getting it, and the price actually increases for every purchase, like $1. So, if you really need it, you can just get it, and you're getting the live data as well. So, yeah, guys. So, if you have any questions, you can just send me a message, and if you have ideas or anything, you can just send me a message as well. And hope to see you guys in the next live. Okay, see you. Bye bye.